Alright, what's happening YouTube, world, everybody? Welcome. My first video, and maybe my last. But if anything, we're going to talk about FTMO, prop firm. So, backstory is, obviously as retail traders, we do not have much funds. And even if we try to make it work, we're just living a lie or daydreaming and fantasizing about, being a full-time trader, which is not feasible. And it's actually, to be honest with you, a bit stupid. But there's those type of risk takers that will just continue to do that and default to that and just think that this is just a scam. So it is not a scam. If you take the right approaches and cross paths with the right people, you will be positioned to be a winner and to be that 10% that does make it. The 90% goes in and goes out. It's like a filtering, like a sales funnel. So you get some in and you get some out. It's just going deeper and deeper and deeper. Anyways, so found FTMO through a podcast I listened to, and looked into the company. Thought it was a great fit. Was something that I was actually pondering upon joining. And then with the requirements and whatnot the FTMO provided was just feasible to myself. So it's just a quick recap. 50%. Sorry, $500 US, 560 or something like that for the 100K challenge account. And go down here, just kind of weird. So right now it's active. I started on the 13th of January, so I have 30 days, right? That's 12, and it's per 100K purple trading ECN. Equity right now is 20K, balance 20K. Obviously I started with, this is the balance I started with, and that's the progress of my chart. Kind of went up here, plateaued and went up. So obviously this is also my second challenge account. First one I failed, just like everybody else. Total trades 88, lots 399, 339, win percentage. See, as long as your risk reward is decent, you don't need your win percentage to be 80% to be profitable. So average profit for me is, where is my mouse now? Okay, it's $1,000. Average loss is $500. Average risk reward is 2.23. Expectancy is this, and profit factor is this. So last updated was today before it closed, and obviously today, the 17th, was negative. But yeah, yesterday, Thursday, got made 13,000, and I stayed within the risk factors. I'm telling you, this is not just a lucky shot and whatnot. There's actually a strategy behind this, and I'll probably get further into this in another video. But if you like this, like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to enlighten you in it. And there's gonna be more content coming for this, because we're gonna start, because this may be the first or the last, or maybe the beginning of a series for how to become a prop firm trader, and something that maybe I can reach out and give you guys my input if you guys are interested. But if not, you know what, hey, at least I just thought I'd share this information with you, that like, it is possible. You're not alone in this. I've done the studies, I've done the reading, I've done the backtrack, the work, whatnot. If you need someone, you need a friend, you need a confidant, someone to shed some light within your darkness, I'm here for you. Anyways, enough preaching. So obviously we have the 19K down here, obviously. So we'll do a little bit more screenshots. Let's see, where was my screenshot now? Let's bring up this one here. So we'll move this one back. Let me just bring up this one here, and so we look at here, we got a 15. So I started on 13th, so I made that day, I was conservative, so I only made 1,500. It's a good start for, I had 30 days, well technically 22 days to trade, because I can trade my pairs 24/5, so 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So 14th made 9,000, and to kind of break 94. Right here I've already made my challenge. This is already 10K. The total was already 10K, and I already passed the challenge within 2 days. It was not luck of draw, I tell you. It's not luck of draw. Because if you look at my other screenshot that I sent, that I showed you a while ago, right? I made 13K on the other day. And obviously, I was feeling good on the 17th to try some stuff. Obviously, it doesn't work out, but when it does, that's what we're talking about. And if you notice, I didn't even hit my max daily loss. My max daily loss was what? 4.1K. There must be something behind this. Yeah, I know it's kind of cheesy way to go about it, but I can show you guys some. Let's do this. How do I? See if I can fit some more stuff. No, it's not working. Okay. Do this. Got one more. I would like to screenshot of and we can call it good. Okay. So here. So this is 16. So that was just yesterday and today. So 1,000. Guess what pair I'm trading? I'm just trading gold. Telling ya, I call myself the gold goat, greatest of all times. And just keep in mind my lot sizes. They're not too drastically crazy, but they are definitely killers. Instincts. So with that, I mean, you could try to look at my prices and see and compare. Maybe you'll know how I trade or not. That's up to you. You want to do that math on your end. But for myself, I can at least share this portion of it with you. Is you know, $1,000, $300 has some losses, 1,200 has some losses. You know, then racked it up, more losses, really racked it right here, and push. That was a really good push. I felt confident. That's why I went in so big there. And there's a method behind that, but I can get in that in another video, trying to wrap this one up. So, and obviously today, I just have that confidence, you know, that confidence I was untouchable, but I was still smart enough to know what my limo was. And after I hit 4.1K, 0.1K, so let's go 0.K loss, I just, you know, close out for the week. So yeah, that's just kind of my recap, and I just wanted to share this portion. Let's see, Myfxbook. Hold on, let's do this here. Okay, what we have here now is Myfxbook. I'm logged in, so oh gosh, are you kidding me? Come on. All right. Okay, so what we have here is Myfxbook. Here's some, just a quick recap. So first I have my GJ Snakebook account that is through forex.com. I'm in the US obviously, so this is actually an account with a 50-to-1 leverage. 50-to-1 leverage account is a 100K account, and with that, last year I was up 74%. I also had another 100K account, track record, call it beast mode. Also 79%. Same strategy, just trading GU and GJ. And I'm using the same strategy but applying it on a lower time frame for my FTMO challenge account and GOAT account. With that being said, it's because we need to make the 10% within a month, and the higher time frame does not allow us that. And also, that's when I was enlightened on gold, because obviously I can't afford to trade gold on a regular and a live account. So obviously we're perpetrating with 101 and now have the leverage, and especially 100K account. So, and with that, the FTMO challenge that I've passed already, that I'm just kind of waiting on for my 10 days to be up, is already up 20%. So that's 20K profit. I was actually up 24%, but then obviously I lost it today. But I'm still staying within the risk parameters. And then I have the demo account that I've been kind of playing with. I mean, we're up today alone. I think we're up 37 percent that account. And that one has a little bit more drawdown. I know, doesn't look too good, but if you look at here, if they were challenged, that's below 5%. Obviously, these are much higher because I'm not really managing, but this is the effect that you get from FTMO, is that you go from 30 to 40 to 50% equity drop, right? This drawdown is your equity. So equity is basically, even if you don't take out a trade, now you may be margin out and maybe close, but let's say the broker lets you margin out and you're going negative or not, but that's your drawdown. And the max for the GOAT account will be 13%, which is obviously, if I was actually doing the process, I would have failed already, but just saying, you know, I still try to stay within that time frame. And if you really look here, the pips that I was able to acquire with my challenge account is significantly more, and I've only been trading 5 days. In 2 days I already made that account, the challenge account percentage. So monthly 19%, 37%, 20% this week. So this week 75% profit, 63,000 pips, 5,139.80, you know. And last year, so this year 72% up already. So yeah, I got something working. If you like it, you want to learn more about it, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the comment. And in case anyone's skeptical and whatnot, you know, I welcome all comments or not, you know. At the same time, like I said, this may be my first and last video. So again, shout out to FTMO. You guys are awesome. Maybe shoot me up if you want to interview me, but other than that, I think we're good to go. I think that's it. So enjoy and have fun and keep trading. And you know what, you guys will get there just like these results. Come on, green all day. You know, imagine that day. What kind of feeling that will feel like to have all these greens. I wasn't picking these things out, but it's just a result of hard work and due diligence. So do your hard work, do your due diligence. Don't give up, don't give in, don't bite into the apple of like it's a you know, a home run streak. It's about hitting those, you know, those doubles, the triples, those singles, and then when you hit the home runs, you just enjoy the home runs. So but if you want to do home runs all day, all night, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're gonna fail. So baby steps, baby steps. With that, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, enjoying. Again, like, subscribe. And if this video does poorly, I'm not gonna make any more. But if you want to see more content from this is my first one, and we'll see how it goes. Deuces.